Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send messages to buyers on Etsy. You need to contact a buyer on Etsy. Here's how to send a message step by step. Now, before we start, in order to access the Etsy platform, you're gonna go to your web browser, or alternatively, you can download the Etsy application on your mobile device from the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And once you go and sign in to the Etsy website, you're gonna go to the Shop Manager. Make sure to click on, once you set up your account, to click on the Become Seller option and proceed to creating your shop by clicking on Shop Manager. Then you're going to be directed to this section right here where you're going to fill in with your informations. Once you finish filling up your informations about your self or your store, you're going to click on the Shop Manager and you're going to see the option Orders and Shipping. From there, you're going to select the order and click Message Buyers. Now, the second thing is from the message inbox, you're going to open the Shop Manager right here. Then you're going to click Messages. Then click the Compose icon and search for the buyer's name. Then you're going to write a message and send it. Now, you can include a clear object, order reference, and a polite tone, and also the next steps. Also, keep communications inside Etsy. This protects you if there's ever a dispute. And that's how you send messages to buyers on Etsy quickly and professionally. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.